Hi, I'm Debs. I'm from South Essex Slings and I'm going to show you how to use the new Lenny Lamb Upgrade Pro carrier with a small baby. So first things first is adjusting the carrier to fit baby. So inside the waistband there is Velcro adjustments. You want to make that super narrow so that the fabric isn't going to overstretch baby's legs. On the front of the fabric we have these straps here, so we need to shorten these to make sure the fabric isn't coming too high on baby. Then get your waistband, you're going to pop that on. Because your baby is quite small, that waistband is going to sit quite high. We always want that waistband around where baby's bum sits on your body to keep their head on the firm part of your chest. So with small babies quite high, with bigger babies it will get lower. We'll clip that up. Sit nice and high on your body, nice and snug, top edge parallel with the floor. Then we are going to do rucksack straps in this video. If you want to see one of my videos in how to cross the straps, go and find the video for this with an older baby and I will show cross straps in that one. So for rucksack straps, clip your clip together and loosen off your shoulder straps so they're nice and loose. It's also worth probably sliding this clip down towards the bottom of the shoulder straps, that will be more comfortable for you. Make sure it's equal on both sides, clip together, nice and loose. Let that hang and find your baby. You're going to snuggle your child onto your front, keeping their head nice and high on your body and scooping their knees up so that they're in that nice deep seated squat. And you can see that their bum is just overhanging the top edge of that waistband, which is perfect, exactly where we want it to be. So seating them onto your body in that nice squat position, you can then bring one hand under that fabric, make sure it's coming between their feet and guide it up and over their body. Keeping one hand on them, reach for your clip, pop that up and over your head, and then your arms will come between the black webbing and the padded strap. You can push those straps over your shoulders. Where the fabric has been adjusted in the height, it gets a bit bunched up. So what you can do is just tuck it down inside and make it nice and flat in there. And we want the top edge of fabric coming up to baby's earlobes. So I'm just going to loosen this a tad for this baby. There we go. Bring it up so it's supporting baby's neck but not covering the back of their head. And then to tighten, if you reach backwards along that strap, find that dangly bit behind you, you can pull that down and forwards. You also have the option on the Lenny Lamb Upgrade of pulling backwards to tighten if that's easier for you, but you can pull forwards. You want to make sure that baby feels nice and snug on your body, that their head is up high on the firm part of your chest and you can see their face with a quick glance. So they are always high, tight and in sight when you're checking for your safety. Nice and high, tight and in sight. Then check for comfort. We want to make sure that their hands are up by their face so that they keep their chin off their chest and they can suck their fingers, and we make sure that those knees are up and their bum is down in that nice squat position. Your comfort, that back strap, if you want that lower, you can adjust your PFAs or perfect fit adjusters. So we can loosen those a little bit, and that gives you more padding moved round that way, which makes that back strap lower. So you can adjust the height of the back strap with these ones, and you can adjust the height of the carrier on baby with the lower ones. That is the Upgrade Pro in a front carry with a small baby. And remember your safety checks. Baby is nice and high on your chest, tight against your body with airways in sight. When you're ready to get out, if you can reach that clip, you can unclip that. If you can't, you can unclip your side clips and get out of it that way. Any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help, and check out my other videos for older babies, cross straps and back carries as well.